Scalping is one of the most common methods in trading. So the purpose of this video is to provide you the basic behind the concept of Forex scalping and teaching you the amazing 1-minute 3 EMA trading strategy. Scalping the market is simply taking advantage of the minor changes in the price of an asset, usually performed over a very short period of time. Scalping is only possible with the help of technical analysis and chart reading. In scalping method, the trader make a large number of trades that each produce small profits. We don't have to hold the position for hours, days, or weeks. With the help of scalping, we can make profit in as little as few minutes. Scalping is the method in which traders try to take advantage of small moves and minor changes in the price of an asset. If you are a beginner, this strategy might be a good start for you. First thing you need to make sure is that you are able to dedicate a few hours a day to this strategy, because this strategy demands some time and dedication. You can apply this strategy on every currency pair with 1 minute time frame. You will need two indicators for this strategy. First one is stochastic 533 and second one is 50 and 100 EMA. Try to enter the market in London or New York session. Buy signal. Now you have applied all the indicators and you are ready to trade. In order to place the buy trade, the first EMA 50 must be positioned above the second EMA 100. After this, you have to wait until the price comes back to moving averages. In turn, the stochastic oscillator is exploited to cross over the 20 level from below. The moment you observe the three items arranged in the proper way, opening a long or buy order may be an option. So the buy signal is confirmed when 50 EMA indicator surpasses 100 EMA indicator. Stochastic rises above the 20 level. The suggested stop loss is 2 or 3 pips below the last low point, and suggested take profit is 8 to 12 pips. Sell signal. In order to place the sell trade, the first EMA 50 should be positioned below the second EMA 100. After this, you have to wait until the price comes back to the moving averages. The stochastic oscillator is utilized to cross over the 80 level from above. As soon as all items are in place, you may open a short or sell order without any hesitation. So, the sell signal is confirmed when the 50 EMA indicator should be below EMA 100. The stochastic should fall below the 80 level. The suggested stop loss is 2 to 3 pips above the last high point. The suggested take profit is 8 to 12 pips. Now let's talk about some pros and cons of this strategy. And let's start with the pros. Number 1. There is a less risk exposure in this. Number 2. Relatively small movements are easier to achieve. Number 3. You can place trades even when the markets are comparatively quiet. Now cons of this strategy. Number 1. A large deposit is needed. Number 2. A 1-minute scalper requires quick reflexes, good instincts, and mathematical skills. Number 3. it can be difficult to scalp and maintain a good risk to reward ratio. So that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, then please hit that subscribe button and hit the like button so you will stay updated whenever I post my new videos. So take care till next time.